Have you ever wondered what happens when you combine over 7,000 islands with some of the most biodiverse marine ecosystems on Earth? Welcome to the Philippines, where every sunrise reveals a new adventure and every sunset paints stories across volcanic peaks and emerald waters. Before we explore its hidden gems, imagine this: ancient rice terraces carved into mountains like stairways to heaven, coral kingdoms teeming with more life than the Amazon rainforest, and lagoons so clear they seem conjured from legend. Sounds impossible. Buckle up. Reality here is more spectacular than any fantasy. The Philippines sits at the epicenter of marine biodiversity, the Coral Triangle. Here, Spanish colonial history meets indigenous traditions, and volcanic activity has shaped landscapes so dramatic they belong in science fiction. Our first stop, the waters of Palawan and the Visayas. You're 20 feet underwater, surrounded by coral cities alive with creatures found nowhere else. These reefs are home to 75% of all known coral species. Brain corals the size of dining tables, forests of staghorn, and massive table corals sheltering thousands of fish. Over 3,000 fish species thrive here. Schools of barracuda twisting like silver tornadoes, manta rays gliding like aircraft, and, if you're lucky, whale sharks moving through the deep. New species are still being discovered, like jewel-colored nudibranchs hiding in the coral maze. Strong ocean currents deliver nutrient-rich waters, helping these reefs remain some of the most resilient on Earth. This is not just beauty, it's a living, breathing miracle. From ocean depths, we climb to the mountains of northern Luzon, to the Banaue Rice Terraces. Calling them rice terraces is like calling the Grand Canyon a big hole in the ground. Built over 2,000 years ago by the Ifugao people using only primitive tools, they rise from valley floors to misty peaks. At dawn, the water-filled steps shimmer in the light, earning their name, the Stairway to Heaven. Beyond beauty, they're a masterclass in sustainable farming. An intricate irrigation network channels mountain spring water to every level, preventing erosion and feeding heirloom rice varieties found nowhere else. This system has worked flawlessly for 2 millennia, supporting both people and wildlife. Walk the terraces during planting season, and you'll see water buffalo plowing under the same traditions kept alive for centuries. A living museum of human cooperation with nature. Next, we travel to El Nido and Coron, where limestone cliffs rise from turquoise seas like ancient fortresses. Formed millions of years ago beneath ancient oceans, these pinnacles were pushed skyward by tectonic forces, then carved by waves into cathedrals of stone. Hidden lagoons rest between the cliffs, waters so clear you can watch fish 20 feet below without dipping your head. Some lagoons hide secret caves, reachable only by swimming through narrow passages. The limestone creates unique microclimates, home to plants found nowhere else, while the surrounding seas teem with life, from colorful reef fish to playful dolphins. Each lagoon has its own legend, tales of giants, spirits, and ancient battles passed down for generations. Folklore or not, they capture the awe every visitor feels. These three destinations, coral kingdoms, rice terraces, limestone lagoons, are just a fraction of what the Philippines holds. They connect you to something bigger. The reefs show the ocean's creative power and resilience. The terraces prove human ingenuity can work in harmony with nature. The lagoons remind us that sometimes reality surpasses imagination. The Philippines is more than a postcard paradise. It's a living story of nature's brilliance and humanity's. So here's my challenge. When someone asks about your dream destination, think beyond the famous names. Think of the Philippines, a place where coral gardens have been growing for centuries, mountains have been shaped by human hands, and lagoons open like portals to another world. This isn't just a trip, it's a reminder that our planet still holds wonders that can take your breath away and change how you see the world forever.